Welcome back to the Car Compass channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 GMC Hummer EV pickup truck, a true powerhouse in the electric truck segment. This beast of a vehicle combines extreme off-road capability with cutting-edge EV technology, bringing back the Hummer legacy in an all-electric form. The 2025 Hummer EV pickup boasts a bold and aggressive design that stays true to its rugged roots. It features a wide stance, high ground clearance, and massive off-road tires, making it one of the most capable electric trucks on the market. The signature LED lighting, including the illuminated front grille, adds a futuristic touch, while the removable roof panels offer an open-air driving experience. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, the Hummer EV is powered by GM's Ultium battery technology. The top-tier edition, one model delivers up to 1,000 horsepower and an estimated 11,500 lb-ft of torque, enabling mind-blowing acceleration. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.3 seconds, thanks to the watts to freedom launch mode. Lower trims offer slightly less power but still provide incredible performance suitable for both on-road and off-road adventures. The estimated driving range varies depending on the configuration, with the highest models offering around 350 to 370 miles on a full charge. The Hummer EV pickup is loaded with advanced features that set it apart from other electric trucks. One of its standout capabilities is the CrabWalk mode, which allows the vehicle to move diagonally, making tight off-road maneuvers easier than ever. Extract mode gives the truck an extra lift, increasing ground clearance for extreme terrains. The four-wheel steering system enhances handling, both in tight city streets and on rough trails. Additionally, the adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride in any driving condition. Inside, the 2025 Hummer EV is a blend of futuristic technology and rugged luxury. The cabin features a large 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a 12.3-inch digital driver display, both powered by an advanced UI designed for off-road and performance tracking. The interior is spacious, with premium materials, comfortable seating, and an open-air feel when the roof panels are removed. The infinity roof and transparent sky panels enhance the overall driving experience by bringing in natural light. Charging the Hummer EV is as impressive as its performance. With an 800-volt DC fast charging system, the truck can add approximately 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Home charging options are also available for convenience. GM's Ultium platform ensures not just fast charging, but also long-term battery durability and efficiency. When it comes to market availability, the 2025 GMC Hummer EV pickup is in high demand. It is primarily targeted at the North American market, with limited availability in international regions. Due to production constraints and overwhelming reservations, potential buyers may experience long wait times. However, GMC has plans to ramp up production to meet the increasing demand. Customers looking to purchase one should check with authorized dealerships or explore reservation options on the official GMC website. Importing the Hummer EV to other countries may be possible through third-party dealers, but availability and pricing will vary based on location. The 2025 Hummer EV pickup is not just a truck. It's a statement of power, technology, and sustainability. It brings back the legendary Hummer name with a futuristic approach, blending extreme off-road capabilities with high-performance EV engineering. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone looking for a high-performance electric truck, the Hummer EV delivers on all fronts. That wraps up today's video on the 2025 GMC Hummer EV pickup truck. If you enjoy the content, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Car Compass for more in-depth reviews on the latest vehicles. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content, and we'll see you in the next video.